When you think of a luxury car, what comes to mind first? Is it the handcrafted leather interiors, the breathtaking acceleration, or perhaps the high-tech features integrated into every inch of the cabin? For many car enthusiasts and audiophiles alike, there's one detail that often gets overlooked but is just as important to the driving experience: the sound system. Imagine cruising down a highway in your dream car, not only feeling the power of the engine but also being enveloped in crystal-clear, studio-quality sound. Music, podcasts, or even the navigation voice, everything becomes an immersive experience. Luxury automakers know this, which is why many of them partner with the most prestigious audio brands in the world, like Bang & Olufsen, Burmester, Mark Levinson, Bowers & Wilkins, Bose, and Naim, to deliver sound systems that rival high-end home theaters. But what makes these systems so special? It's not just about loudness, it's about clarity, precision, and engineering the cabin to act like a perfect concert hall. In this video, we're diving into the top 10 luxury cars with the best sound systems. These aren't just any cars, they're rolling concert halls, designed to make every drive feel like a front-row seat at a live performance. Whether you're into hip-hop, classical, EDM, or jazz, these cars deliver an audio experience so refined that you'll never want to step out. So buckle up, turn up your own speakers, and let's explore the cars that will blow your mind with their world-class sound engineering. Mercedes-Benz S-Class with Burmester high-end 4D surround sound, approximate 700 words. The Mercedes-Benz S-Class has long been considered the benchmark of luxury sedans, and it's no surprise that its audio system is just as cutting-edge as its design and performance. The S-Class features the Burmester high-end 4D surround sound system, which is more than just a stereo, it's an experience. This system comes with 31 high-performance speakers and an astonishing 1,750 watts of power. But the real highlight is its 4D sound experience, achieved by integrating resonating exciters directly into the seats. That means you don't just hear the bass, you feel it. Imagine listening to a live concert and having every beat vibrate through your seat, just like you're standing next to the stage. The system also features 3D surround sound technology, noise compensation, and customizable settings that allow you to tailor the audio to your mood. Want an intimate jazz club vibe? You got it. Prefer a wide concert hall atmosphere? Just adjust the settings, and the cabin transforms into your personal venue. Mercedes and Burmester designed the interior acoustics of the S-Class specifically for this system, ensuring every note is perfectly balanced, whether you're in the front or the rear seat. It's no wonder audiophiles say this is one of the most advanced car audio setups on the market. Audi A8 with Bang & Olufsen 3D Advanced Sound System, approximate 700 words. When it comes to immersive sound, the Audi A8 with its Bang & Olufsen 3D Advanced Sound System is in a class of its own. This setup includes 23 speakers strategically placed around the cabin, delivering a mind-blowing 1,920 watts of power. What makes this system unique is its 3D sound technology, which uses special algorithms and ceiling-mounted speakers to recreate the effect of being in a concert hall. It doesn't just play music, it creates a three-dimensional space that surrounds you with sound from every direction. One of the coolest features is the way the speakers rise from the dashboard when you turn the system on, adding a touch of theater to the experience. Combined with active noise cancellation, the cabin becomes a serene environment where every detail of the music is preserved. Audi worked closely with Bang & Olufsen to fine-tune the acoustics, meaning no matter where you sit, you'll feel like you're at the center of the performance. The result? An audio system that transforms every drive into a private concert. Bentley Bentayga with Naim for Bentley, approximate 700 words. When you're sitting inside a Bentley, you expect nothing less than perfection, and the Naim for Bentley sound system delivers just that. Available in the Bentayga SUV and other Bentley models, this setup is one of the most luxurious and expensive car audio systems in the world. The system features 20 custom-built speakers and an incredible 2,200 watts of power. It uses cutting-edge digital signal processing, DSP, and active bass transducers built into the seats, making sure you not only hear the music but feel it with absolute precision. Naim, a British audio brand renowned for high-end home systems, designed this specifically for Bentley, making sure it matches the elegance and performance of the car. The result is a rich, detailed, and incredibly powerful sound experience. From the deep lows of a bass guitar to the crisp highs of a violin, every note is reproduced with jaw-dropping clarity. Combine that with Bentley's quiet, handcrafted cabin, and you have an environment that feels more like a luxury recording studio than an SUV.